Introducing APLONG New Tech Soft OLED original size. Compared to other aftermarket soft OLEDs, it features a standard front camera hole that is the same size as the original. The standard aperture offers better compatibility with front cameras. The display area size of New Tech Soft OLED is completely the same with the original display. With this and the design structure identical to the original, the front glass of APLONG New Tech screen is replaceable and repairable. Supports a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. Supports original IC Transplantation. It has excellent wide color gamut.